Hello friends, now we will see the forms. There is a question in your mind that why we are using the forms. Generally, when we need the input from the user, then we are using the forms. There are various techniques to create the forms, but in HTML we are creating the forms. We have to follow the following step. First, I will see its output. Look, this is the online library filling form. We have to create like this type of form: name, enrollment number, radio box, checkbox, drop down box, comment box, submit button, cancel button, and contact us feedback form. We have to create like this. Now I will see how to create it in HTML. First of all, we have to uh, create a name tag. For that we are using here name. Then input tag type is equal to text because we want to add text data in it. Name, the name attribute is used to define the name for the specific tag. You can use any name in it. And value is equal to the default value of the text in the field. Clear? So that we can hear the output. The name, enter your name is the default value. When we write anything in it, it will remove the automatically. Like, look, I will write here DHRUVIN. Then it is automatically removed. Enrollment number, therefore it will remove automatically. Then if I want to make radio button, then what should I have to do? In that case, input tag type is equal to radio button because we want to create radio button. Name is equal to sex because here it the name is the same in the whole radio button. We can create number of radio button here, but the name of the radio button must be same. Otherwise, it does not work as a radio button. And value is equal to male and its name male and female. We can create here. Now we will see its output male either or female. Now how importance of name in the radio button I will explain you. Look, here I will change S1. I will save it and run it. Then what will be the output difference? Look, I will click here and I will click here. Both time I can select it, so it does not work as a radio button, so that the name must be same. Now look the difference, either this, either this. Clear? Now we want to create checkbox. For that we have to make only this difference. Input type is equal to checkbox, name is equal to M1. The name will be the same in the whole checkbox. How many want we create? Membership 1 year, 2 year, 10 year, lightning, whatever you wish you can create here. Now we will see how to create drop down box. I will see you the checkbox output, that is 1 year, 1 month, 1 year, 10 year and lifetime. Now we will see the drop down box, how to create drop down box. For that we have to use a tag name select name is equal to x1. We are giving its name, that is x1. You can use any of the name here. Then to add the drop down menu field, for that you have to use option tag. Option, CE engineering, IT engineering, BM engineering and EC engineering. Look, this is the option and slash option tag, and select tag must be completed by using slash select. Remember one thing, to use drop down menu you have to use two tag named select and option. Now I will say its output, that is the diff drop down box. Now if I want one change, that EC engineering is by default if user selects or not select, then what should I have to do? I have to use a attribute selected here, selected. Then what will be the output? I have selected nothing by default. I have selected nothing as the input, so EC engineering is the by default. If I want to change, I can change it, otherwise EC engineering will be the by default output. Then the other topic is that text area. In many web pages you have seen there is some comment box. In that you can create, you can type many of the words or letters in it. For that text area is used. For that a text area tag is used here. Now text area, how many rows you want to create and how many columns you want to create, you have to write it as its attribute. Rows is equal to 4, and remember the spelling of rows is ROWS and columns will be COLS is equal to 25 and slash text area. Now I will show you its output, that is this is the comment box and it is the text area. You can write anything in it. Then the submit button. Submit. Whenever the form will be completed, you have to submit it to the server side. So you have to use a type submit. Name is equal to sub, whatever you wish to give you can write here, and value is equal to OK. That button name, it will by default create a button and its name will be OK. You can see here. I will place OK. Then you can see the whole performance, what is performing in the form is you can see here on the top. Now button, to create a button you have to only change input type is equal to button and value is equal to cancel, so that a name button cancel is created. Then in last, if you want to use to give a border to the all the field, what should you have to do? You have to use like this. Contact us is a one type of form and in that two fields are here and I have to give the border around it. Then what should I have to do? I have to use a keyword named field set. Field set is a collection of two or more type of fields, and ligand, contact us. Then two types of text button are created here. Ligand is the most important because if I will not write ligand, the contact us button will shown as below the border. If I want to create border around the contact us, I have to write ligand button here. Thank you.